In this video, we are going to learn second table in a different manner. We are going to learn second table. First draw one horizontal box. And you divide the box into two horizontal lines. This is called first row, this is called second row. Again they divide the box into 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have units place and tens place. The units place I am going to fill with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in the first row. Even in the second row also fill with the same numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. And I am going to fill the tens places with zeros in the first row except in the last box. So here 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 6, 0, 8 and 1, 0. In the second row, I am going to fill with all the boxes of tens place with 1 except the last place. So 1, 1, 1, 1. This is filled with 2. My second table is ready. We can write our table as 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Second table is over. Understand and master the tables. Thank you. Now we will learn third table. Draw a 3 by 3 box. First row, second row and third row. First column, second column and third column. Start from the bottom of the third column with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The units places are over. Now to write the tens places in the first row, fill all the boxes with 0, in the second row with 1, in the third row with 2 and last 3, 0. Now we can write the third table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Third table is over. Now we will learn fourth table. Here I am going to consider 2 m's. First m and this is second m. Here we have 4 phases. This is called upper portion of the first m. This is called lower portion of the first m. This is called upper portion of the second m. This is called lower portion of the second m. Starting from the lower portion, I am going to fill this one with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. The same numbers for the second m also. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. My ones places are over. Now to fill up the tens places, the upper portion of first m are filled with zeros. 0, 8, 0, 1, and the lower portions are filled with 1, 1, this is 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. Continued with one more 2, 2, and this is 3, 3 and 4. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. My fourth table is ready. 4 ones are 4. This is 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. My fourth table is over. Lay on the table and master it. Now we will line fifth table. Draw one horizontal box and divide it into 2 horizontal rows and 5 vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first row I am going to fill with alternate 5 and zeros. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Coming to the second one with 0, 5. 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Ones places are over. Coming to the tens places, write with 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. It is easy to remember. The tens places are given by 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now write on the fifth table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. So easy to learn the tables. Thank you. Now we will learn sixth table. For that I need 2 boxes. One, this is 2. 2 3 by 3 boxes I want. And fill the boxes from the bottom column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the next second box also with the same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here one more 0 we will add. Now to complete the third table, the first row tens places are filled with 0. 0, 0, 0. The second row tens places are filled with 1. Third row are filled with 2. 2 and fill 3 here. And then coming to the second one, the first row is continued with 3, 3, 3. Next row is filled with 4, 4, 4. Next is filled with 5, 5, 5 and last 6. Then to get the sixth table, you remember the diamond shape. This line, this line, this line and this line connected to 30. Here also diamond shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 connected to 60. Now I am going to write my sixth table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Then coming to sixth table, sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. Sixth table is over. Now we are going to learn seventh table. Here also you take one 3x3 box. This time we fill it with 1, 2, 3 from the opposite side. From here we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And then to get the tens places, we fill the first row with 0, 1, 2. Again starting from here 2, 3, 4. Again starting from 4, 4, 5, 6. After 6, 7, 0. So seventh table we will get by 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Seventh table is over. Understand the tables well and master them. Now to write the eighth table, you write from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here don't forget to write one more 4 once again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from bottom to top, write 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And again 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. First we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more 4 we have to write without forgetting. Then continue with 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from bottom to top 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again same number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. My eighth table is ready. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. My eighth table is over. And the last one, to write the ninth table, easiest one, start writing from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then from bottom to top, again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My 9 table is over. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 9 tens are 90. So very easy to learn from 1 to 9 tables. If you are perfect in 1 to 9 tables, the rest of the tables also you can get very well. Thank you.